I want to say this categorically that APC ticket is not for sale. As a matter of fact, as at today, we don't see Adeleke as member or part of APC as a party. Let me be sincere with you. The APC in Osun State remain the party to beat. And I want to tell you that if not because of the fear of unknown that is disturbing Adeleke family and PDP, they wouldn't have shown the intention of coming to APC. And we have been saying this times without number, that APC are fully on ground in Osun. If not because of the year 2022 and that of 2023, we shouldn't have officials across the state in Osun. Now, once the Adeleke family and PDP that they should remain calm, that no space for PDP or Adeleke in APC. APC ticket, come rain, come sunshine, is not for sale for Adeleke family. Thank you.